Today I am reviewing the DJI Neo 2 Motion Fly More Combo. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly yet highly capable FPV drone, the DJI Neo 2 Motion Fly More Combo is one of the best options on the market today. Designed to combine ease of use with high-end features, this drone is perfect for anyone from first-time flyers to aspiring aerial photographers and content creators who want stunning 4K footage and an immersive flying experience. Starting with design and portability, the DJI Neo 2 is impressively lightweight, weighing just 151 grams, making it compact and easy to carry anywhere. It's C0 certified, so it meets safety standards for beginners, and the included full-coverage propeller guards add an extra layer of protection for safer flight. Whether you're flying in a park, backyard, or urban environment, this drone is built to be worry-free while maintaining a premium feel. One of the standout features of this drone is its intuitive control system. With palm takeoff and landing and gesture controls, you can launch, land, and capture photos or videos without ever touching the controller. This hands-free functionality makes it incredibly easy for beginners to get started, while also allowing more creative shots when you're capturing moving subjects. The Active Track feature ensures smooth and reliable tracking of subjects, keeping them in focus automatically as you fly. This is particularly useful for recording action scenes, sports, or pets without worrying about manually adjusting the camera. You can even integrate with an Apple Watch to view the live feed, check flight status, or adjust tracking using voice commands, making it a modern and futuristic flying experience. For capturing memories, the selfie shot mode makes it effortless to snap quick, high-quality selfies from the air. Combine this with 4K high-resolution imaging, and you have a drone capable of recording sharp, detailed, and lifelike photos and videos every time. The 4K camera ensures your footage is crisp, whether it's for casual sharing, social media, or more professional projects. Safety and versatility are also a priority with the Neo 2. It features omnidirectional obstacle sensing, helping prevent crashes and ensuring safer flights, especially in crowded or complex environments. At the same time, its flexible flight modes allow for dynamic aerial maneuvers, giving both beginners and more advanced users creative freedom in the sky. The Fly More combo includes everything you need for extended and immersive FPV adventures. The DJI Neo 2 drone, RC Motion 3 controller, DJI Goggles N3, a digital transceiver, 3 batteries, a charging hub, and propeller guards. This bundle not only extends your flight time, but also provides a complete FPV experience with immersive goggles, giving you the feeling of flying through the sky like never before. In short, the DJI Neo 2 Motion Fly More combo is an excellent choice for anyone looking to learn FPV flying, capture cinematic 4K footage, and enjoy a futuristic flying experience. Its combination of lightweight portability, beginner-friendly controls, advanced tracking, obstacle sensing, and high-resolution camera make it one of the best drones for both fun and creative projects. Whether you're a drone beginner, social media content creator, or adventure enthusiast, the DJI Neo 2 Motion Fly More combo delivers a perfect balance of performance, safety, and fun. With multiple batteries, immersive goggles, and intuitive controls, it ensures that every flight is exciting, safe, and capable of capturing stunning 4K visuals.